What's the difference between RsLogix 5000, Studio 5000, and Logix Designer? Nothing. They're all exactly the same software. If we go to Rockwell Automation's Compatibility and Download Center and just start typing Studio 5000, we're going to get a lot of options. But continue typing Logix, and you'll come up with Logix Designer. And this is the software that we use to program the Control-Logix and Compact-Logix PLC. And the latest shipping one is version 35. But if we scroll on over here, then the earliest version was version 21. And I have another tab here with RsLogix 5000, and it ends at version 20, and it began back on version 6. And what happened is when they got to version 20, they decided to do a rebranding of RsLogix 5000 and make it Studio 5000 Logix Designer. Now that's the easy part. The next part's the part that confuses almost every technician that comes to my class, and it's probably confusing you also, is we have Studio 5000 Logix Designer. That's way too big to fit on the start menu. When you're in a PLC program, it says Logix Designer at the top. But if I go to my start menu and just start typing Logix Designer, all I'm going to get is this compare tool. And that's what my technicians end up doing is they open this up and they can't figure out where their software is. When we're going to the start menu, we are looking for Studio 5000. So if you're working with an RsLogix 5000 program, know that our Studio 5000 lessons will work just as well with it. And I've created this playlist right here with some videos to help you get started.